We'll guide you through how to find your saved passwords on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, when you go and sign into websites and things like that, you may have received a prompt about saving the login. So you've got to save the username and password. And now you're wondering, how can you go and find and see them? We're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. And we're keeping this guide broad so you can go and follow along. So to go and get started, you need to go and swipe up like so. Now you need to go and find your settings. You can see it's just here, but you can always go and tap search at the top and go and type in settings. And here we are. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and start scrolling down, keep going down. And what you're looking for is general management. And you need to go and tap in here. Now scroll down and you need to go and find passwords, passkeys, and autofill, and you can go and tap there. Now you can come down here and there are different services for your password manager. You may use Samsung Pass, but otherwise you probably use Google. You can see my Google is switched on and that's what we use. So you can go and tap on the service you use. That's my preferred service, like so. And that will then go and open up your password manager and you can see all your saved passwords. So you can scroll down, you can even go and search at the top and you can go and find the account you're looking for. Let's go and say I wanted to go and look at this site here. I could tap on it. What I then need to do is go and enter in the screen lock, which is the PIN which I used to unlock my phone. Press continue. You may have a different security method set up. And then what you can do is go and reveal the password by pressing the I to the right, or you could go and copy it. And that's it. You can then repeat that for other sites here. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.